guys, what is up? It is B-Rock Scanner 9. Why am I filming like that? Okay, so, well, what today is going to be doing, I already got ready for school, so I don't know if this is going to be the longest video ever. So, I think I'm just going to do like a quick, Nerf gun video maybe. Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Oh. Hey guys. What are you doing in Nerf gun?
We're going down in the basement.
It's a mess because we usually like to do our YouTube videos down here, right?
Yeah. No, but you're like a monster down here.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Alright, so, yeah. Sorry I didn't do a video yesterday. Because I was just super busy and stuff. I was getting ready for the new Space Wars video. So, yeah. Yeah. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna be. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do an Nerf gun video. So, yeah. And maybe like weapon video, I guess. So let's find some weapons. Like some of these, maybe. I already did that. Oh, yeah, these ones. This one. This one. So, yeah. That's what's gonna be going on here. Alright, so I'm just setting up the camera. I hope I got a tripod for Christmas. Right, so yeah, this is what it is. I don't have the scope on it because I'm using it for this thing. If you want to see a video of that, you can go check it out right after this one. I forgot what it was called, but I'll put it down in this description below of what it's called. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna use Great to Know 18s. So, dirts. So, shout out to Great to Know 18 since I'm using your darts again. I did this in the other video too. His darts are just swinging around down here. So, right, you cock that back there. You take it, put your dart up here, and then these are just all dart holders down here. So you can go like this. It's not that accurate, or it's accurate, but it doesn't shoot that far. Yeah, so that's that, and then I'll show you like the close-up writings on it and stuff. Some of it's washing away a little bit, but that's okay. Nerf. Here, I put the ammo thing there. I put some Z's here. I put a Z here, but it's starting to erase. Then I got these two Z's. I got these sketch thingies. I don't know why they're sketched out. I think they have like my name on it. And I just sketched it out. I don't know why. But, yeah, so that's pretty much this gun. Right? Yeah, so that's pretty much that Nerf gun video. But wait, it's not over yet. I'm going to do a little bit more Nerf guns, so. Let's go. Let's go pick some more guns. In here, maybe? Yeah. I guess this one is good. Yeah, we're gonna do this one. I'll show you. Alright, I'm setting up the camera again. My mini tote / tripod. Alright, so I got it here. It is called the Sharkfire. It is the old Sharkfire, guys. So what you basically do is you pull that top back, you put this in, the dirt in, you go like that, and then you either go like this or like this to shoot it. So yeah, you could also take off the stock. You can go like this, you do this, and then you take off the barrel and make it like a pistol. You could just leave it like this, or you could put the stock on and go like this. And there's also a different setting too. You can go like this. And one more, that's not all. Put the barrel on, and then you could go like this. This is an unmodded Nerf gun, not one mark on it. That is a mod. I bought it just in the store like this. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Oh, and there's a clip here too. You can put some darts on, or you can clip it to your pants like this. Like this. Here. That I'm about to do. Ugh. Yeah, still filming good. So, alright, whatever. So you can just clip it onto your pants. I'm just going to put it in my pocket. I like that clip in my pocket. So yeah, that's what you can do with it. So, sharp fire and the, I forgot what this is called, but that, and then I got the sharp fire. So, that's pretty cool. And, yeah, so, yeah, let's go do some more stuff. Well, let's head back here. Maybe we'll shoot some hoops. Okay, you can take a ball and shoot it. Yeah. Wow, that's hard to film. Okay, let's do some hoops. Ooh, okay. I had some, right? I'll be right back. 1 second. Okay, I got it. Here's a mini golf bag. I'm pretty sure this is upside down. Yep, it is. But guess what? I don't care. I can let all my clubs fall out. Ooh, yeah. A mini golf bag. Ugh.
Entertainment.
So, yeah. And what the frick? In the pocket I found a ball. Nice shot, guys. Alright? I'm really just gonna throw a ball at you.
Whoa!
Ha I gotcha.
Hey!
Alright, so I'm gonna shoot you guys and I bet you'll fall.
Wait, how do you spell neighbor? Wait, I got it.
Alright, so yeah, I think that's it for today's video. And B-Rock Skater 9 is out. Peace.